IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy. Tamil Nadu obviously one change. Yes, Sai Kushal missing out because of his other commitments.
Beautiful. Great hands through the ball. Superb shot. Gorgeous looking shot.
That's put away easily by Jagdishan, dragging it short towards the left arm spinner. Nicely driven. He finds the gap and he will find the boundary too.
Yeah, they'll go for four. Deliberately opened the face of the bat, and that's a 50 for Sai Sudarshan. Just keeps churning the runs. What a player.
Silly point. Boundary.
अगर ऐसी गेंदबाजी करेंगे तो रन्स रोकने बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएंगे. ये बेहतर है. नजदीक पहुंचे. एक और बाउंड्री. जो डब्ल्यूबी आपने बात की ना फील्ड्स की, इसकी हम चर्चा करेंगे. 50 रन भी पूरे हुए जगदीशन के. 142 बिना किसी नुकसान तमिलनाडु.
लीजिए, इस बार क्या मौका बन सकता है. कूदे जरूर थे पर सीमा रेखा की गेंद बाहर जाती हुई.
Oh, a little inner edge onto the stumps. Jagdishan can't believe it.
65 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए तमिलनाडु.
That is the 100. He's a very special cricketer. Century for India A versus England A, century in the county championships, century in the Dilip Trophy, and now century in the Ranji Trophy. His 6th first-class 100, and definitely not his last.
They're gonna play with you like that. Beautiful shot.
Going over the top. That's a clean hit. Taken on the full, and that'll be a boundary.
बारी किनारा. ना स्लिप गई ना कीपर. जिस तरीके की वो बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं ना, उनको उन सब चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है. इस चौके के साथ 150 रन पूरे होते हुए साई सुदर्शन के. और जब आप बल्लेबाजी करते रहेंगे तो फिर ऐसी ही गेंदों को जाने नहीं देंगे. बेस्ट स्ट्रेट ड्राइव है अब तक का ये इस मैच का. एक बार फिर बढ़िया टाइमिंग. गेंद को आने देते हैं अपने पास, तो उसकी जो भी गति है उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं और गैप तो बखूबी ढूंढते हैं.
And a misfield allows the batters to get a couple here. And that brings up the 50 for Washington Sundar. Didn't look like he was getting runs, but yet he's got to his 50.
लीजिए, एक और बाउंड्री आती हुई.
Gorgeous. Exquisite. That'll be 4 runs.
There it is. The first double 100 for Sai Sudarshan. It's been a classy effort, an innings marked by character and determination. I was talking about him employing different gears at different times, and this innings has obviously added extra sheen to his career, and those who have seen this innings would remember this for a long time. And this one off the edge goes in the gap for a boundary.
कमाल का शॉट, कमाल की टाइमिंग. बाउंड्री लेके जाएगी ये.
He loves that area, doesn't he? Beautiful. Oops, up. Yep, streaky. But he'll take it. Whenever you make any changes of sorts, so you stick with the known or blaze new trails. Previous 100, 159 versus Tripura as an opener in 2017. Promoted up the order. and he's taken his chances with both hands. Little bit of an ache here.
213 बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए
Another freebie.
और आसान बाबा इंद्रजीत के लिए ये चीजें काफी आसान करते हुए
Yeah, that's it.
जाना पड़ेगा बाबा इंद्रजीत को। 16 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए
They'll go for 4.
वाह, लाजवाब. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. हल्का सा हिचकिचाहट हुई थी रन के लिए जाएं ना जाएं, और इस ओवर थ्रो के साथ 50 पूरे हो जाएंगे उनके. जी हाँ, एक रन थोड़ा रिस्की था, लेकिन ये 4 और मिल गए उनको.
He is delighted. Any batsman will be if he gets to his half century.
प्रियांशु विजयन के साथ हुआ है इस बार अपने हाथ खोलते हुए. कमाल का कैच पकड़ा है ये.
That's a superb knock from Washington Sundar. 152.
लीजिए, आते ही इनका बल्ला चला और बाउंड्री मिलती हुई.
There you go. Nice and easy. That's another massive hit.
Taken success at last for the left arm spinner.
शाहरुख खान जिन्होंने बनाए 23 रन.
That smashed away through the offside.
कमाल का स्ट्रोक खेला है.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल. फील्डर वहां मौजूद. कोशिश जो कामयाब नहीं हुई.
There it is. A very good 100. Number 6 it is. Just keeps churning runs. And that's what it means to the dressing room.
रन आते हुए 4 रन.
That's the maiden 50 for the young man in first class cricket, and he'll be a delighted young man.
लाजवाब शॉट.
ओ जॉन्टी सिद्धू.
But that's the end of a very special innings from Prasad Ranjan Paul.
कमाल की टाइमिंग, जबरदस्त टाइमिंग. बाउंड्री मिलती हुई यहां पे.
Sixer Sidhu as he was called, but here we see a brilliant shot that'll fetch Ashtagi a 4.
Outside edge, played with very soft hand. That's the reason why I didn't carry.
ये लीजिए, पहला विकेट गिरता हुआ यहां पे.
Harsh Tyagi played a good hand, but he's out on 35.
रन जाएंगे. हाथ खोलने का मौका, और ये मौका ज्यादा छोड़ते नहीं है.
Oh, little bit of a whiff outside off stump.
अच्छी पारी खेली. 36 रन बनाए. 115 गेंदों का सामना किया.
Like this one. Was a little short and dealt very well by Yashtul for 4.
जी हाँ, अभी ही इस चीज का चर्चा की थी.
Delhi skipper Ahmed Singh dismissed for naught.
Racking.
Soft dismissal. Mohammad once again strikes.
दिल्ली अब थोड़ी सी दिक्कत में है. कमाल का कैच.
103 for 5 after being 74 without loss.
Yeah, something was about to give. Rajat Bhatia called it.
Nicely stroked away, bent square on the offside. He does play the shots well of the back foot.
150 रन पूरे होते हुए यहाँ पर यशदुल के। अब फुल टॉस देते चले जाएं और रन बनते चले जाएंगे।
That's up in the air, but lucky. Very streaky.
क्या कैच पकड़ा है भाई।
He's looking distraught, disappointed.
Goes for a big hit and finds the gap as well.
Cracking hit, slash through gully.
लीजिए, मिल गई विकेट।
He's played a nice knock of 26.
चलिए, बिना कुछ करे वो चौका मिल गया जिसको ढूंढ रहे थे।
That's majestically pulled away.
और अंपायर का डिसीजन।
This is the end of Himanshu Chauhan for 4. And that's it. What a hit! And he'll be delighted. This is the way any batter would like to reach his 100 with a 6. Delight, relief, everything must be going through his mind. And his teammates are applauding his effort. Played away nicely through the offside into the gap. And he will find the boundary, Pranshu.
नजदीकी मामला, आउट। उंगली उठी अंपायर की।
Pranshu Vijayaran fought hard, but he's been dismissed for 6 when they declared the innings, and Delhi were bowled out for 266. Played behind square, another boundary for Yashdul.
दूर से खेलने की कोशिश।
Yashdul dismissed for 8.
Oh, bit of a misfield.
Nice shot. Good looking from the middle of the bat.
और यहाँ पर कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया। कॉन्फिडेंस की मैं बात कर रहा था। कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाते हुए हिम्मत सिंह रन आते हुए, बाउंड्रीज के रूप में रन आते हुए।
Edged and taken. The second wicket falls.
जी हाँ, हिम्मत सिंह 36 रन बना के आउट हुए।
That's cut away.
बढ़िया शॉट है।
That'll go for 4.
बात हम कर रहे थे, इस बार दूर से खेलने की कोशिश।
He's gone for 23. Delhi lose their third for 1-1-2.
Looks to go for a big hit. There's a big shout. The umpires are going upstairs.
बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, वो जो प्रेशर रिलीज शॉट है, बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, पैर क्रीज के बाहर आया। जी हाँ,
And the third umpire feels that he is out. This time the length was different and he's capitalized. And he gets his first half century in first class cricket. It's been a painstaking innings, but he's been absolutely solid. Playing a brilliant knock here.
Lovely shot. Stand and deliver.
Edged and gone, is he? Did it carry? Fifth wicket falling for Delhi.
ये काबिलियत तो इनके पास है ही।
Oh, that's up in the air. One shot too many. That's the problem.
ये बड़ा झटका है दिल्ली के लिए। हर्ष त्यागी 7 रन बनाकर आउट हुए।
Nicely played into the gap, and he will get a boundary.
अपील हुई है और काम भी हो गया।
83. Brilliant from Sanat Sangwan.
Taken. जी हाँ, Baba is not missing anything. Baba Indrajit's taken another top class catch there.
The very good fielder is Indrajit. That's the end of Pranshu. Plays it into the gap. He will get a boundary. Will Saini. Umpires once again having a discussion. This has been the trend at the end of every over in the last 20 minutes of this game. Looks like they are not happy with the way things are out there in the middle as far as light is concerned. Flick the bails off, signaling that this is the end of the game. It's been a hard-fought effort from the Delhi batters. They have managed to survive, ending the second innings at 193 for 8. Tamil Nadu took the first innings lead. Match is drawn. Tamil Nadu get 3 points and Delhi get